Hey guys, today, let's learn how to solve Instagram Messenger update. Not working. Problem. So in the case that you haven't updated your Instagram or your messengers, and it's not necessarily working on you, or the app keeps crashing, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to solve this issue, step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first, in order for us to solve this problem, is to go ahead and launch the Instagram applications and double check the problem is still persisting. You could go ahead and try to send somebody a DM to double check as well if the problem is still persisting. And one more thing that we could also do to solve this issue altogether is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi. If we have stable internet connection, now having some problems with where Wi-Fi could contributed the issue. So you could actually double check this as well. And you can also try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is gonna work better for you. Now, one more thing that we could also do to solve this issue is to try to uninstall the Instagram application. So uninstalling the Instagram application from the device and reinstalling it again will basically install the new version and not the version that has those bugs. Let's go ahead and launch the settings application and let's tap on general. Now, let's tap on our iPhone storage and let's wait for this to load. And what I want you guys to do is to basically search for the Instagram application. And on here, let's go ahead and tap on off. Load app now. Offloading the application will actually delete the application. But what you want to do from here is to reinstall this application once more. And that should basically solve or issue. Once that is done, you can actually now use the Instagram and Messenger application as well. And that's all for this video guys. For watching. Thank you guys. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.